Who's your dream blunt rotation for comic book characters? Mine is Alana from Saga, number 1.
Ooh.
Oh my god, dude.
Known addict.
Yeah, maybe it's a little enabling here. Poison Ivy. She could probably like create some new stuff too. The rotation could be a focus group, honestly. I actually put Doctor Strange on my list, but I'm thinking like 70s Doctor Strange, you know, where like every book was like a neon blacklight painting. My last one is Spider-Man.
Peter
because
Parker.
Spider-Man
You
loves
hate me?
Mary Jane. Wordplay is just unappreciated around here.
The DC Magic characters are gonna be the best people who are gonna have the crazy stuff. The Floronic Man,
You'll be smoking pieces of him.
Dr. Fate.
He just hotboxes his helmet.
Dr. Fate, though, I think is like old school, like Cheech and Chong level. Constantine?
I feel like Constantine maybe gets his lips a little too wet when he takes, where it's just
Oh.
just ruins it. You're like, you don't want to be the one after Constantine.
The next person would be Zatanna.